Smile, swing, sister, sadistic, surprise, savage.
Snoop Dogg. Smoke weed every day. Smoke weed
Hello everybody and welcome to Month Review. Month Review, YouTube India's favorite show everybody, let's go! So, if you have no idea about what Month Review is, it is basically a video that I make every month that covers most of the events that happened in the said month. So, in the second episode of Month Review, I'm going to go over with what happened in the month of September. So, well, एक मिनट वो थोड़ी स्क्रिप्ट देख कर आया मैं. ओह वाओ, वेल यू सॉ द स्क्रिप्ट. चलो फिर आज के लिए सिर्फ इतना ही. बाय. एंड देयर गोज हाफ ऑफ माई व्यूअर्स. सो जो भी लोग अब तक वीडियो में हो, क्या तुम्हें याद है बिंदास काव्या ने लास्ट मंथ क्या किया था? She was flexing her gold play button on her account. Well, I think I found how it works. So turns out you can actually make fake versions of the play buttons and there's a lot of services to choose from. Secondly, Among Us. I won't even say how much this game blew up this month. मेरे बिल्डिंग के वॉचमैन भी वो दिन Among Us खेल रहे थे और उनको बॉडी ऑफिस में मिली थी. एक मिनट. So to give you an example of how many people started playing this game, let me show you guys how my explore page on Instagram looks like. Wait, it's all Among Us? Always has been. That meme is dead, isn't it? Well, I'll say it's really nice for the gaming community to have at least some new people who don't hate us completely. And if you still think gaming causes violence, look at this. Also, some people don't even know that the game is released like 2 years ago but now started blowing up this year. So they just assume that this game was released this year and there's nothing wrong with it. I just felt like clearing some doubts that if you might have, I don't know. Next, we finally got to know the price of the new PS5, which is kinda cheaper than I thought, but India में तो कुछ ज़्यादा ही कॉस्ट बढ़ेगी. Also, Xbox made a huge blunder. Xbox, which is owned by Microsoft, released their new console around the same time too. अभी सी PlayStation का नेमिंग सिस्टम कितना नीट है. पहले आता है PlayStation 1, फिर PlayStation 2, फिर PS3, PS4 and then the new PS5. Xbox on the other hand, पहले रिलीज़ करता है सिर्फ Xbox, उसके बाद Xbox 2 आएगा, या ऐसा हमने सोचा था, लेकिन नहीं. Xbox के बाद आता है Xbox 360 और उसके बाद सोचो तुम क्या आ सकता है, पॉसिबली क्या आ सकता है. Xbox 361 नहीं, उसके बाद आता है Xbox One. मतलब यार क्या कर रहे हैं ये लोग, काउंटिंग नहीं आती तुम्हें, क्या कर रहे हो तुम. फिर Xbox One के बाद आता है Xbox One X. ठीक है, वो हम थोड़ा काउंट कर लेंगे, उतना ठीक है, लेकिन दिस डज नॉट एंड हियर. ओके, Xbox One X के बाद आता है Xbox Series X. अभी लोग इतना कंफ्यूज हुए कि नए Xbox विच इज़ Xbox Series X को छोड़ के गलती से पुराना Xbox One X ले रहे हैं. अभी क्या बोले इन्हें. टॉक अबाउट ब्रांडिंग गॉन रॉन्ग. नेक्स्ट वी हैव समथिंग ऑन माई चैनल. क्या चल रहा है ये, बहुत कंफ्यूजिंग है भाई. 220 सब्सक्राइबर्स हो गए. डन 60 लाइक्स. नहीं भाई वो विनोद वाले वीडियो पे 60 लाइक्स हो गए. भाई साहब रोहित, मतलब देखना ही है ना मेरे को. विनोद. अबे यार कितनी बार बोलना पड़ेगा. डू यू नो आई सेड इट एज अ जोक. तुम्हें लगता है मैंने कभी प्रेडिक्ट किया था मेरे 60 लाइक्स होंगे? 60 लाइक्स तभी हुए थे जब भी मेरे बिंदास काव्या की वीडियो को 400 व्यूज मिले थे. और अभी भाई बोलो विनोद, सारे बोलो विनोद. अभी विनोद होगा. सो नाउ देखो, मुझे पता है मैंने 60 लाइक्स एंड 60 बिनोड्स कहा था, लेकिन द थिंग इज even if I record myself saying Binod 10,000 times without a face cam, I'll get comments saying that it's somehow faked or looped. So instead of cancelling the idea, I'm postponing it to whenever I do a face reveal. It will happen someday, guys, don't worry. It will happen, I will say it. To be honest, I've run out of ideas right now, so I'm just going to give you some channel updates. So October is going to be a very exciting month for me and you guys. Starting from 1st October, that is tomorrow, I'm going to shower you guys with lots and lots of content. This whole month of October shall be filled with content just for you guys. Gaming, roasts, randoms, streams, everything. Why, you may ask? Well, you see, it is my birthday month. For some reason I cannot say birthday month like a normal person, so just bear with me over here, okay? Thank you. So my birthday is on 9th of October. So you guys get ready with your credit cards because I'm doing a donation enabled stream on my birthday. That's right, gamers. This is your chance to simp for me. On a serious note, I would really appreciate all the gifts that you would send me if you do, and by gifts I mean donations. Let me tell you guys, if you want more content from me, let alone be gaming or roasts, I can't do a lot of it on my current computer, it legit sucks. So sending me gifts would really mean a lot to me so that I can get a PC upgrade, you know. Alright then, 9th of October, save the date. So anyway, I've kinda made a schedule for this month. So on Mondays I will post gaming videos like Minecraft or montages. Wednesdays we'll probably stream Valorant at 4 PM. And on Fridays we play Among Us, which I'll obviously stream on my channel because you guys seem to enjoy it very much. So we'll play with subscribers as well. Roasts or random videos would come out on the weekends, so stay tuned for that. Alright then, that's all for this video. Really sorry if this seemed more like a channel update than a month review, but seriously, nothing happened in September. Stay tuned for all the epic content that I've planned for this month. Also, another thing, I am setting a target for myself. If I don't hit 300 subscribers till the end of October, I might just consider quitting YouTube. Well, that's my time. So the month of September, I'll give it a rating of 4.5 out of 10. So, hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's aim for about 50 likes. और यार ज़रा शेयर कर दो यार वीडियो. लास्ट वीडियो पर सिर्फ 200 से कम व्यूज़ आए थे. बिल्कुल रोना आ रहा है यार. क्या बोलूँ अभी मैं. चलो फिर मुझे सिम्प करने जाना है. अभी सितंबर ख़त्म हुआ है. दैट मीन्स नो सिम्प सितंबर ऑल्सो एंड्स. बाय.